Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead, or Southern Ohio DIY Solar Power. Hello, Jeff.
How you doing?
All right, sometimes.
Sometimes, yep.
So, give me a rundown of what you have here, please.
Besides the mess, we got a 24 volt, 1100 amp hour battery system. Deep cell, Ames 4000 watt inverter. With lead acids, it can charge off grid or just charge if you get low in winter time, your voltage gets too low, it automatically kicks the grid to charge your batteries. Got an Outback Flex Max 80, doing very well. So right now it's at 620 watts, running an air conditioner in here and a house air conditioner, or in the kitchen too. And the Midnight Classic 200 is doing almost 1300 watts. Not bad. Just getting prepared.
Explain this cover you have over the batteries.
This cover was meant to just be a test, but it's turned out permanent for now. What I did, glued a bunch of the garage door foam together, made a mold, put it over, put a DC fan in here to draw out the hydrogen quicker, and what it does, seems to be doing, it keeps my terminals from corroding.
Sweet.
That hydrogen's not sticking in there as long as it would. Got this Ames fused. I got an extra fan on it to try to keep pushing cool air even when its fan's not running. Get your solar panel cut off on the Flex Max, solar panel cut off on the Classic, and then we wired in a separate sub panel just for this room going to the house. This power room acts like a generator is what it does. It's not going into the mains, it's going into wires that I wired on the outside of the walls.
Pretty awesome setup. Someday I hope to be this good.
Oh, you will.
I want to be awesome just like you.
Oh, you're awesome. You're awesome.
But anyway, we'll get this thing on camera. Glad to meet you.
Glad to meet you.
Holy smokes. I've been wanting to run down here for a long time. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and click that little bell. Also for Southern Ohio DIY Solar Power.
Yep. We're going to change that. Too long.
Too long. So what brings me to Ohio is Jeff offered to give me some batteries, and I told him once or twice, sell them, make some money. But I'm going to shout him out. Yankee Outdoor Adventures shouted him out also. I stopped to see him in somewhere near the Toledo area. Then I'm going to run on over to River Ponics after this. So you can join all of those after I'm done with this weekend. Well, I'll have the links down below, but I'm probably going to put this up today. But you have to come back to it to get all those links. But what a wonderful opportunity. And I don't know why you're giving me batteries, but I appreciate it. So someday I can have a nice setup like this.
Oh, you're going to.
And holy smokes. So there's another set of batteries outside that I'm going to be taking home. And I'm going to cut it right here.
Oh, important
Thank
message.
you, Jeff.
Important message. Don't forget that. When you're dealing with solar batteries, do not forget your extinguisher. You gotta have one near. I'm sorry for interrupting.
That's good. Well, people need to know.
Yeah.
Because I don't have one near mine.
Uh-oh.
So now I know.
10-4.
Thank you for the education. And have a nice sunny day.
Thanks.